Hi everyone and welcome to the Chef Mini channel. Today I'm going to do this beautiful tuna pasta bake. Ingredients are on the right hand side of this screen, so let's get started. Into a pan of boiling water, cook your pasta to the directions of the packet and simply drain. Now it's time to make our sauce. Pop in the butter, followed by the flour, and toast this till it's nicely cooked. It's going to take a minute or so. We're going to add our warm milk and whisk until it's nice and smooth. Add a touch of salt and pepper to season, and you want to cook this out now for a couple of minutes. Add your cheese and slowly melt it through, followed by the sweet corn and tuna. Now I'm adding most of the egg. I'm going to save some for the garnish. Toss in the pasta and give it a gentle stir. Now I'm going to put mine into this beautiful dish. I've sprayed it with a little bit of olive oil. All we need to do now is just level it off and sprinkle our garnish on the top. That's the remaining egg, your fresh herbs, some beautiful mozzarella cheese, and I'm going to top it off with some breadcrumbs. They're going to go nice and toasty in the oven. This is a beautiful dish you can have any night of the week or just for lunch. If you've enjoyed this video, please slap a like on here. Don't forget to comment and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. I'll see you next time for another great recipe. Bye for now.